Dakat namin sa school, guys. Bye-bye. Yan. Ready na siya, guys. Moadto sa school, guys. Early in the morning. 6:40 a.m. Mularga na siya, guys. Kay early in iyang klase. So, adto namin sa karsada, guys. Okay. Gahulat ni motor. Gahulat ni motor, guys. Nice. Ora siya correct, guys. Say hi. Hi, guys. Bye, guys. Talikod, talikod.